In a world that's growing more dynamic, connected, digitalized, and automated all the time, the requirements of woodworking machinery and plants are more demanding than ever before. For over 6 decades, HOMAG machines have been known worldwide for their outstanding productivity and reliability, as well as their quality and ingenuity.
High-end products, minimum downtimes and highest productivity are not just the result of cutting-edge technology, but furthermore rely on well-trained individuals in the entire machine lifecycle.
That's why the HOMAG Academy trains and qualifies our customers' machine operators and maintenance personnel, as well as internal commissioning experts and service technicians all over the world every day, helping to optimize quality and productivity along the entire woodworking value chain.
All our trainings have one focus, our trainees. Managing the individual needs and knowledge level of each participant is our daily challenge.
Starting from each trainee's job profile, individual skill set, and personal learning goals, we create a tailor-made training solution covering a broad variety of topics, from hardware to software.
Personalized training solutions call for flexibility and state-of-the-art technology.
The digital learning platform serves as a venue for many of our trainings, guarantees seamless knowledge transfer, and allows each trainee to monitor their own training progress in a dedicated account. Live online trainings enable immediate feedback, eliminate travel times, and can be easily integrated in a daily work schedule. In addition, we provide hundreds of on-demand online training courses that can be accessed at any time, making the options even more flexible. Our Training on the Job program gives our service technicians and commissioning experts the skills they need more efficiently by training in a real-world environment. Complemented by classroom training sessions at our 19 HOMAG Academy locations worldwide, or directly on site at our customers' facilities. We directly train on our machines and plants. The training with digital twins also allows us to train on even more complex products, so that customers' employees have the skills they need before the production starts.
At HOMAG, we believe in lifelong learning.
Due to the fast pace of time,
the best educated employees from today already need new knowledge tomorrow.
And the HOMAG Academy is our solution
to master this challenge.
Every day,
at any time,
and everywhere,
all around the world.
HOMAG, your solution.